That's probably not good.
No shit!
Nein, das war jetzt gar
I'll
nicht
try to hold
gut.
him off. Hurry!
There's the battery. Finally something goes right.
Okay. Okay,
Still attached to the
lösen.
terminals.
Lös halt, Mann. Nimm weg.
Got that one off.
Okay.
It's
Zeit
off.
läuft. Okay, jetzt.
Got it.
Yeah, but we still got a problem here. Put it in here. I'll carry it. Okay, follow me. Move your ass.
Beweg deinen Arsch, ja. Ja, bewegt.
Great. Now what?
Ja, was jetzt?
Skylight.
Dachluke.
It's shut.
Shoot it out.
Mann, ich will auch keinen Krach machen. Na gut, die Walker sind ja eh schon da. Mann, warum ist die so athletisch? Okay. Crazy woman.
Okay, so now we're on a roof.
Do you ever stop complaining? Come on.
Beklagen? War doch gar keine Beklagung. Ja. Dir ist schon klar, dass ich sowas
Come
nicht
on, what
habe.
are you, chicken? Jump.
What did you call me? Well, now that you mention it.
Komm jetzt, Lee. Sei ein Mann. Ja. Das ist immer, wenn man nicht die Aufgabe versteht.
Okay, so now we're on a roof.
Also
Do you
actionreich
ever
ist
stop
die Episode,
complaining?
muss ich
Come
sagen.
on.
Nicht so emotionsvoll wie Episode 3, aber actionreich ist die Episode. Also Emotionen
Come
fließen
on,
hier
what are you,
natürlich auch.
chicken? Jump.
I can't. It's too far.
Okay. Gut. Batterie ist besorgt. Ich hoffe, die anderen waren genauso erfolgreich. Achso.
Come on.
Later. Something I gotta do first.
What?
Catch you later.
Wait, you still got the battery.
Yeah, I think I'll hold on to it. Make sure you don't leave without me. See you back in class.
Molly! God damn it, what the hell is she doing?
Ja. Okay. Wer sagt, dass ich dir vertrauen kann, beziehungsweise wer sagt, dass du jetzt nicht einfach abhaust? Ah, Lee, du hast einfach extrem viel Vertrauen.
Little help here!
Alter! Alter! Leute! Ey, mir ist das Herz gerade...
Doors won't close all the way!
Mir ist...
Do something!
Mir ist...
We
Mir
got it!
ist...
Break the door with something!
Mir ist das Herz gerade in die Hosen gefallen, gerutscht. Ohne Spaß. Alter! Ja, ich wusste nicht, wo B liegt. Das kennen wir ja schon.
Did that hold?
And damn well better.
Das hält genauso lange wie das
We
Glas
got the
hält.
fuel.
Let's not start high-fiving each other just yet. Let's get the hell back to the classroom. Give us a hand with these fuel cans. They weigh a goddamn ton.
Okay, wir haben Benzin. Wir hätten eigentlich die Batterie.
You're back!
Yeah, and we made out pretty good, too. Great work, Kenny. How you doing with that door? Not so good. Here, let me give you a hand. Did you get that battery yet?
Yeah, Molly has it. She should be back here soon.
She'd better be.
Ich auch.
Bree?
Hey, Lee. Thanks for all your help back there. I don't think we would have made it without you.
No problem. We're all on the same team. What do you think about this whole Crawford situation?
I'd rather not talk about it. Too many awful memories. Even being back here gives me a bad feeling.
Even now, with everyone dead?
I got no sympathy for what happened to these people. They weeded out the sick and the old, even children, those least able to defend themselves so that they could save their own skins. Whatever happened here, however Crawford fell, I consider it poetic justice.
Damn, girl, that's cold.
It's how I feel. If you'd seen what I seen, you'd feel the same.
So you're a cancer survivor, like Vernon and the others?
Yeah, I was diagnosed when I was in college. Been getting treatment ever since. Just when I was starting to get better, when I thought there might be some hope, all this happened. Lost my whole family. I'm the only one who survived. Funny how things work out, huh?
Naja, geht mir genauso.
How long have you known Vernon?
Couple of years. He ran our support group. He was really great, helping me come to terms with my disease. But how do you come to terms with something like this? With a place like Crawford? I don't know what I or the other survivors would have done without Vernon. He's the one who held us together, kept us alive. I'm a little busy here, Lee. Maybe you should go get that battery or help with the medicine.
Wie langweilt sich.
You okay, Clem?
Yeah. Where's Molly?
She had to go run an errand. She'll be back soon.
I hope she's okay.
She'll be fine. She's pretty tough. Just sit tight, okay? I need to go take care of a few things.
All right.
Dass sie tough ist, das stimmt.
What do we still need?
We already got the fuel and the battery. Once we find some medicine, we'll be good to go.
So where's this battery you found?
Molly has it. She ran off to do something.
Well, she'd better bring it back here. I don't know why you trusted that girl with it. We hardly know her.
She saved your life, didn't she?
Yeah, but what has she done for me lately?
Oh, ich meine, ich kann das Messvertrauen von...
How you guys doing with that door?
Slower than I'd like.
Don't worry, we'll get it open. I think.
Okay. Jetzt muss ich die Medikamenten holen. Oder so. I don't know. Wem willst du das sprechen? So.
Molly, you there?
Sehr wahrscheinlich nicht. What the fuck? Von wo kommen die?
Krista and Vernon must be trapped in there.
Ist das... Weiß nicht. Okay, so genau muss man ja zum Glück nicht zielen.
What the hell happened?
They wandered into the hallway after we got inside. I think they must have heard us rooting around in here. The whole place is infested. They're everywhere.
Calm down. I took care of them. What about the meds? Did we find what we need?
Yeah, that's our other problem. Take a look. Looks like they were keeping all the prescription meds in that safe, locked up tight.
Maybe we should try looking somewhere else for medicine.
In Crawford? This place is too overrun. No, that safe is our best chance. Yeah, it'd be a hell of a lot quicker if we just knew the 4-digit combination.
Well, I doubt they just wrote it down and left it here for us to find. We should just try busting it open. We don't have any other choice.
Okay, you get started. I'll take a look around, see if I can find anything useful.
Ach du...
I'll have to take time to rest later, I think.
Ja,
What is
Zahlenkombination.
this? A copy machine. Not that it matters with no power around here.
Ich meine,
Just a bunch
Wo
of
ist ein
papers.
Code?
No safe combination, though.
und
Looks like some kind of medical file. Anna Correa. Guess she must have been a patient here. And what's this?
wo sind wir denn hier? Im Spital oder was?
Phones probably haven't worked in months. How's it coming?
Slow. Too slow. I'm worried that by the time we manage to get this thing open, it may be too late.
Hey, Doc, I just wanted to thank you for coming with us, and for all your help. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention it. It's times like these we've got to help each other the most, right? And we're no better than those Crawford sons of bitches.
I heard that. How much time do you think Omid has, Doc?
You want my medical opinion? The sooner we get him some strong antibiotics to start fighting that infection, the better. Let's just leave it at that, huh?
Molly helped me get the battery we needed.
That's great. One down. Where is she?
She took off. Had some kind of errand she needed to run.
Took off? With the battery?
Yeah. Don't worry, she'll be back.
I hope so. That girl doesn't really strike me as a team player. More the mercenary kind.
I'll go see if I can find something that'll help us get that safe open.
Good idea.
Ja, ich hoffe, ich muss nicht jetzt noch zurück in die Stadt. Oh. Hier ist eine Kamera.
There's dried blood on this printout. And on the floor. Looks like a trail of it from the safe to the camera over there. Then out the door. What the hell happened here?
Die Antwort wirst du...
What's this on the floor?
It's a sonogram.
Ultraschallbild.
Y'all already checked these drawers?
Yes, Lee. Nothing in there worth taking.
Oh, Mano. What the hell?
Looks pretty sturdy. No way we're gonna force that open.
We might be able to find something to pry it open, but it'll take time.
We don't have time. Omid needs that medicine. We have to get it open now.
Ja, 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 ja. Soll ich sagen? Ja, hast recht.
Already cleaned out.
Dann schauen wir die Kamera an.
The way this camera's set up, it looks like it would have had a pretty good view of that keypad. I wonder if it caught someone punching it in. Empty. Figures.
The tape's got to be around here somewhere. Keep looking.
Ich hab das Band schon. Aber es wird mich
Vernon,
erstaunen.
Krista, come look at this.
This is day 82 since the outbreak. 1547. Dr. Logan in consultation with patient Anna Correa.
Why are you recording this?
Regulations. Oberson has ordered me to keep records of all medical examinations and consultations. I need you to brace yourself, Anna. The sonogram confirms that you're pregnant.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
As you know, the rules are very clear. The termination is mandatory.
You don't have to tell them. Tell them it was just nausea. That you gave me something for it and it went away. This is my problem, not yours.
If Oberson finds out that I concealed evidence of a pregnancy, I'm sorry, but these are the rules. I'm gonna give you a sedative. It'll make the procedure easier on you.
I don't want the procedure. I want my baby. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Anna, you don't have a choice. Now, if you like, you can take some time with this, but I need you to come back no later than tomorrow, or I'll have no choice but to inform Oberson myself. I'm sorry.
Verdammt.
Damn it, we almost had it.
What the hell kind of place was this?
Like Molly said, the worst kind.
Lee, maybe there's another tape. We gotta keep looking.
I think I recognize that doctor. He was one of the walkers out in the alley by the auto shop.
Maybe you should search it. See what he's got on him.
Ja, das ist meine Lieblingsbeschäftigung. Bei den Toten zu durchwühlen. Wo denn? Oh Mann, jetzt muss ich ihn Sonnenwand suchen, oder wie? Surf. Patronenhülsen. Wo ist die Patronenhülsen?
They've already been fired. They're worthless.
So. Gültige Schließfach. Muss ich doch noch aufs WC? Badezimmer.
Locked. Didn't need to use the bathroom anyway.
Aha, okay.
Sounds like there's a shit ton of walkers out there.
Ja, da müssen wir nicht hin. Wir müssen trotzdem schauen.
Can't open it without the combination.
Logan.
Logan? Isn't that the name of the doctor on that tape? Too bad I don't know the combo. Can't open it without the combination.
Ich weiß nicht, wie ich die Workers untersuchen kann, beziehungsweise...
You find that doctor's body? Did you search him?
Not yet.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Mann!
Not working.
Ja, Dankeschön! Das weiß ich. Alter! Muss ich auf die Suche des Arztes gehen oder wie? Wo habe ich denn noch Untote? Hier habe ich doch gar keine. Ach du Nein, oder? Ich glaube, ich weiß, wo der liegt. Ich glaube, das ist der, wo Molly da erschlagen hat. Auf der Straße, bei der Werkstatt. Nee, nicht da. Doch, genau. Das wäre die einzige Möglichkeit.
Can't reach it. It's too high up.
Das wäre die Möglichkeit gewesen. Ich brauche Hilfe dementsprechend. Oh Mann, Leute. Gehen ins Klassenzimmer zurück.
Hey,
I'm a little busy here, Lee. Maybe you should go get that battery or help with the medicine.
Ja, danke. Bin ich eigentlich dran? Da kann mir doch jemand helfen.
how you guys doing with that door?
Slower than I'd like.
Don't worry, we'll get it open. I think.
Okay, die können wir auch nicht wirklich weiter Oh, ja, 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 ja.
You okay, Clem?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I'm glad Kenny and Bree made it back okay.
Yeah, me too. And now we have fuel for the boat.
Do you think we'll be here much longer?
I sure hope not.
Ja,
Just
genauso
sit tight,
lang,
okay? I need to go take care of a few things.
wie ich brauche, um den
Alright.
Arzt zu bekommen. Fuck. Komm ich. Aber mal, ich schaue noch mal das hier, weil das könnte irgendein Code sein. TMR 123 7106 7106 7106 Number of workers found, number of cities broke to con, number of intelligence license fronts. There's an outbreak. Fuck. Initials of person. Conditions search. Mama cities brought to court. Number of analyzed cities funds. 1, 2, 3. TMR 7106. Kann ich aber nirgendwo eingeben, also dementsprechend kann ich auch nicht sagen, yes, that is it.
Nothing but crayons and construction paper.
Holy shit. Ich frage mich definitiv, wie wir jetzt weiterkommen. 7106.
Nothing in there.
6106. Ich meine, hier hoch komme ich nicht.
Can't open it without the combination.
Doch eigentlich kennst du die Kombination, also es könnte sein, dass du die Kombination kennst. Fuck! Fuck! Mann, oh Mann, oh Mann. Den Arzt mal fragen, vielleicht hat er eine.
Hey, Vernon. I'll go see if I can find something that'll help us get that safe open.
Good idea.
Halleluja. Mano.
No tape inside. Looks pretty sturdy. No way we're gonna force that open.
Ich glaube ja nicht, dass ein...
Do you think shooting it open would work?
Only thing that would accomplish is getting us all killed. So, no, I don't.
Hey, Krista.
Yeah?
Are you feeling okay?
I'm fine. Why are you asking me that?
It's just that you've been looking a little pale the past couple of days. You've been throwing up.
Oh, come on. You just dug up a rotting dog carcass. I'm surprised we weren't all throwing up. Lee, I'm fine. Quit worrying about me, okay? Worry about Omid. We've got to get him these meds.
I hope I did the right thing bringing Clementine with us. This place isn't exactly safe.
Then why did you?
Because leaving her alone with Omid didn't seem any safer.
What's that supposed to mean?
No offense, Krista, but Omid's pretty sick. If he dies with Clementine alone in the house with
That is not going to happen. Do you hear me? That is not going to happen. We're going to get these meds to Omid, and he's going to be fine. He's going to be fine.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Das heißt,
Are you making any progress with the
dass
safe?
No. Without the combination, I don't know how we're going to get
auch
this
immer
damn
heißt,
thing open.
alleine jetzt
If we
in
don't
dem
get back
Haus
to
ist und
Omid,
wir
it's a
alle hier
medicine
sind,
soon.
It's okay. We'll figure it out.
das geht nicht gut aus.
Look, Lee, I just want to get back to Omid. Let me do my thing, all right?
Okay. Nothing in here, I guess.
Eine... Das kann's jetzt nicht sein, oder? Das kann's nicht sein, dass ich jetzt nicht mehr weiterkomme. Das kann's nicht sein. Nein, kann es jetzt definitiv nicht sein.
This place definitely has some major damage.
Okay, auch das bringt mich nicht weiter. Ach. Ach. Verfixt. Bin nicht sicher, ob ich da wirklich raus will. Will ich da jetzt wirklich raus? Nee, wollte ich eigentlich nicht, aber irgendwie der sicherste Weg. What the fuck? What the fuck? Aber das ist doch... Da ist der Doc. Da war der Doc.
This might be just what we need. And what's this? Looks like some kind of code. But Vernon said the safe combination was only 4 numbers. Shit, time to go.
So. Freunde. Ich laufe jetzt noch genau... Ah, scheiße. Das mache ich noch.
Logan. This must have been his locker. Another tape. The safe combination has gotta be on one of these.
Oh Gott. So. Ich hoffe, dass jetzt mein Spiel gespeichert wird.
I found 2 more tapes. One of them is dated October 10th.
That's the day after the first one we watched.
Put it in.
Okay. Das schauen wir noch an und dann machen wir Break.
Have you made a decision?
I thought you said I didn't have a choice.
Well, technically you do. You can terminate the pregnancy or leave Crawford. Of course, that would be a death sentence for both you and your unborn child.
Maybe that's best. I stayed up all last night thinking about this. Why are we even trying to survive? To keep on living, if this is what it takes. If this is what it's turned us into.
I don't make the rules, Anna.
Doctor, I'm begging you. Please help me.
Maybe one day, when things are different, you can try again. But for now, today, we have to do this. No. No.
Warte jetzt.
I think we know what happened to Crawford.
More importantly, we got the combination.
Krista, are you all right? What's wrong?
It's nothing. That was just hard to watch. Don't worry about me. I'm fine.
All right. Let's get those meds and get the hell out of here.
Heißt die wirklich Kristen?
We're in business. Antibiotics, morphine. We'll take as much of this as we can carry. Okay, I think we're good. This is more than enough for your people and mine. Let's go.
You know, I found a 3rd tape in the locker outside. Maybe there's something else on there.
We got the meds for Omid. That's all I care about.
We'll head back to the classroom. Don't take too long, Lee.
Okay, ich weiß, wir sind über der Zeit. Das tue ich euch jetzt nicht an. Wir schauen das letzte Video auch noch an und werden irgendwie noch irgendwas sehen.
Listen, as fun as this was, I have to put a stop to this little arrangement. This is the last I can give you.
Why?
Oberson had someone down here yesterday taking inventory. He's really cracking down. I just can't risk it.
We had a deal.
Yes, we had a deal. We don't anymore.
My sister needs this medicine. Without it, she'll die, or she'll start showing symptoms and they'll take her away. I can't let that happen.
I'm sorry, Molly. I've done all I can, but I have to look out for myself here.
Yeah, that's the Crawford way, isn't it?
Okay. Molly hat noch eine Schwester.
Shit.
Und die hat unsere Batterie. Fuck. Okay, liebe Freunde. Das war's mit dieser Episode. Nee, noch nicht ganz, aber das war's auf jeden Fall mit dieser Folge. Bleibt weiterhin dran und wir sind gespannt, was abgeht. Bis dann. Ciao, ciao.